Hi, ma'am. Are you a resident of Mumbai?
Yes, I am very much so.
And-
I'm a Sardarni but settled here.
Absolutely.
So I'm more Maharashtrian than anything else.
How long have you spent here?
I've been married 40 years.
And you've spent all that time
All
here?
those years.
So you've actually seen Mumbai grow to what it is today.
Yeah, why not?
No, it's very interesting. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister is going to come down to Mumbai,
Right.
and he's going to lay the foundation stone for what is going to be a memorial for
Right.
Shivaji
I love
Maharaj.
it. I love it.
Right? So, and it's going to come right over there.
Yeah,
It's going to be the tallest statue in the
like The
world.
phoenix has risen. He deserves it. He deserves it. Shivaji.
It's going to
I'm a
be
big fan of
so
Shivaji.
it's going to be the tallest statue in the world.
I know. Read about it. I read about it. I love it.
But ma'am, having said that, it's going to cost 3,600 crore.
Let it what it costs. See, all money allocated for the poor, the slums, for developments, all very well. But when it comes to monuments and comes to like trademarks of the city and thing, why not? Why not? Why should we let the money go elsewhere when it is not even required over there? And so many things, so many issues. You know that.
But that's an interesting point, and I take it. So far, we've gotten half people saying yes, it should be done. The other half
course.
saying so. It's a very divisive.
Son, the money which is no, use it for better purpose. Use for the slum development, for literacy, for this. Does it ever go there?
Well,
Does it ever go there? I'm a social worker for how many years? I worked in 21 NGOs. You're asking the right person. Where does the money go? We had liters and liters of milk coming from Switzerland coming to distribute to the slum area, to the children's school children. Did it ever go? We saw it at the kiosks selling, people selling them.
Wow. Okay.
So clearly, I mean,
So clearly, when you have something we are proud of, what is heritage? This will be heritage after 50, 60 years, right? You start making your own pieces of heritage also, na? Your own monument.
That's actually right. Instead of renaming
everything backwards and going backwards, जो British Raj में था, Mughal period में था, like the Humayun Gardens, everything, the Qutub Minar and all. अपना तो बनाओ ना थोड़ी history.
Bilkul. That's a great thought. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
It makes a lot of sense.
Well,
I'm almost convinced. I'm almost
that I
convinced.
want a statue out there. I think her words of wisdom really worked with us.